Peace be to you, dear friends. I am your brother Mario Joseph from Philokalia Foundation. July 30th, 2024, early morning, there was a massive landslide in the hometown where I was born and brought up, called Wayanad. We lost many lives in that landslide and we could not find many people yet. On August 7th, 2024, Philokalia Foundation laid foundation stone for 25 houses. Our intention to hand over the 25 houses for those who lost everything in the natural calamity. On 12th November 2024, which means day before yesterday, we could hand over the key of 10 houses for those who are affected in this landslide. During the key handovering ceremony, we did not invite any politicians or any religious leaders, any other. We invited Nanji Amma, a playback film singer from South India. She is also a national award winner. The reason we invited her, a few years before, there was a time in her life she was not having a good house to stay, and Philokalia Foundation built a home for her. In her presence, we handed over the key to all 10 families. Also, we invited a young girl called Shruti. Shruti is the one who suffered maximum during this landslide in 2024. She lost 9 members in her family and she was left all alone to live on earth. And there was a boyfriend for her, and during those days he met with the accident and he also lost his life. So in short, a suffering girl. We invited her to be present there in the key handing over ceremony and she came. Thank God everything went well. This is an information what I am telling you, my brothers and sisters. Rebuild Wayanad is a big task. God entrusted upon Philokalia Foundation. Whatever we can, we are doing it. So if you want to know the house and details, you can just Google Rebuild Wayanad by Philokalia Foundation and you will get the location and you will see the photos and you will see everything in Google now. The reason for me to record this video is to thank you, my brothers and sisters, because of you and your hard work and your support, your prayer support, moral support, encouraging, and you provided with the finance. That's how we could complete these 10 houses very soon, within 90 days. My brothers and sisters, there are many more houses to be completed. More than 15 houses now again to be completed. And in December, we are going to lay the foundation stone for more houses. So we expect your prayers and support with whatever way you can. So together, we will rebuild Wayanad and we will stand with Wayanad and we will stand with all those who are suffering with natural calamities.